you doing? Today on Mr. Lucky's workshop, we are going to replace the primer bulb on a Toro snowblower. I live in Chicago. It's snowing outside. I went to get the snowblower cranked up and I pushed my finger right through the bulb, the primer bulb on the snowblower. As you can see, it's just rubber here. They dry rot. So Amazon, same day delivery, got it, and we're going to put this in real quick. Hey, thanks for watching. Yeah, as you can see, here's the old one. The old primer bulb just crumbled into pieces. Took me, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes. It's not that hard. Thanks for making it this far. And if you like the video, go down, subscribe, like the video, and we'll see you next time on Mr. Lucky's Workshop.